Yo, girl.
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing good.
That's good.
By the way, you a 10.
Thank you.
On the pH scale.
Because you're basic. Hi, Audrey.
Hey, Ray, what's wrong?
Well, this guy told me that I was a 10 on the pH scale and then started laughing. What does that mean?
Well, being a 10 on the pH scale means you're basic, and the lower your pH is means you're more acidic. But I think you need some toothpaste to help that.
How will this help me?
That is an excellent question.
Who are you?
That is another excellent question, but one which I cannot answer. So we'll just stick to your first one, toothpaste. Let's go to the lab to find out what it's good for. First, we have to figure out the pH of the toothpaste.
What's pH?
pH is the measure of the concentration of hydrogen ions in a solution. It's used to indicate the degree of acidity.
Well, then what's acidity?
Acidity is the level of acid in a substance. When a substance is acidic, then a basic solution can neutralize it.
I've heard of basic solutions. Aren't they the opposite of acidic solutions?
That is correct. Another word for a basic solution is an alkalinic solution.
I don't get it. What does that have to do with toothpaste then?
Let's test the pH of the toothpaste to find out. First, you have to take the toothpaste and add it to water, so that to make it more liquidy and less solid. And then we take pH paper and we add 1 drop to a single piece of pH paper. We did the experiment earlier and we discovered that toothpaste has a pH of, according to the bottle, 8. Because the bacteria in your mouth uses acids to break down your enamel and corrode your teeth, toothpaste can neutralize the acids the bacteria produces.
How does it neutralize the acids?
Acids have a positive charge and bases have a negative charge. If there are equal amounts of each, then the positive and negative ions will cancel out.
So we need to have an equal amount of toothpaste as we do bacteria acid?
Not exactly. You see, if they have different concentrations, then it won't be the same amount of substance. We need to know the molarity of each to determine the amount of each we will need for the acids to be neutralized.
How do we find that out?
We use titration. Titration is the process of adding a base to an acid until the solution is neutralized.
Not bad. How do we know when the solution is neutral?
I remember this in chemistry class. We had to use indicators such as pH paper and look at a chart to determine the pH.
Well, then how does a substance become acidic? The last time I checked, hydrogen was a gas.
Water is polar, making it so some molecules attract electrons more. This allows its hydrogen molecules to dissolve in solvents. This is because of solubility.
I think I get it now. I'm going to go use this toothpaste to make my breath minty fresh and my teeth white and bright so I can go impress people with my newly found chemistry knowledge.
If you don't want bad breath to brush your teeth, use some Colgate Max Clean.
What?